accidentally or intentionally. However, your Instagram account got deleted permanently, we have got you covered. There's an updated method that can help you get it back. And if you want it done the easy way, just DM me Recover IG on Instagram and my team will guide you step by step until your Instagram account is back with you. Just remember one thing, this method works only if your account was deleted within the past 90 days. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. The very first step is to download an older version of Instagram. I have added a link in the video's description for you. One more important thing, that this will only work on Android devices since iOS doesn't allow you to install older version of apps, and for that reason only, you will need to have an Android phone for doing the whole process. Now go to your phone setting and change the date and time back to when your account was active and not deleted. After this, open Instagram and try logging in with your old credentials. In most cases, you will probably see the message account not found. But don't panic, this is normal at this stage. And remember, if you still feel this process is getting complicated, DM me Recover IG and we will help you personally. My Instagram link is in the description of the video. Once you are done testing, download the newest version of Instagram again and set your phone's time back to normal. For downloading the latest version of Instagram again, you can simply go to the Google Play Store, or in case if you still find difficulty, you can simply click on the link which is given below in the video's description. Now here's the key step. Go to the official Instagram hacked account recovery form. In this form, act as if your account was hacked and deleted. Enter your username and proceed. If it accepts your username and goes to the next step, you are in a very good position and there's a very high chance of recovery of your account. But if it still shows your account not found, move to the last method. Now in case if that previous form doesn't work for you, then create or log in with another Instagram account. Then go to your profile, tap on the three lines, go to the help section and click on the report a problem button. Then select don't include logs. Now here you have to write down your whole issue. I have added a ready-made template in the description to save your time. Just make sure that you include your username, your full name, the email ID linked to your deleted account. Now here's an important note. Instagram keeps account data for up to 3 months in its backend system. So in most cases, accounts can be restored within this period. And worst case scenario, even if Instagram doesn't restore the account, they might provide you with an export of your data, including posts, your stories, your messages in a HTML file, which you can access to see the post and all the messages. So that's the full recovery process, and if you want professional help or faster assistance, just reach out to me on Instagram and my team will handle it for you. Check the description for all the important links and templates, and in case if this video solves the purpose why you're watching it, then please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.